YouTube, welcome back to another video. For me, back at it again. So basically we have new parts for the car. One,
the others are outside.
the others outside, but this is the main one we wanna put in right now.
This is the starter. We have the ECU and the transponder.
So basically the problem we are having is this part right here has to be removed because this one. On this one you can see that it's dead as just this, but here it's a different problem, and under there's no thing you can understand. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but what we're trying to do is take out the steering wheel so that we can see properly. Maybe there is a way.
Alright guys, so right now we're just gonna try to pull this thing out with this rope, and for safety measures we're using this rope because we don't want the spring that's in here to like hit our faces. So hopefully right now it'll just pop out because of the string that's in here. So we can't release the tension because it's a very old car, it's just been chilling. Let's see how it works. Yeah, you can see we have a sledgehammer, rubber base, so we're gonna try obvious things. Finally, it's out. So now we can actually work and do what we wanted to do. But one thing for sure is this guy is not getting back in there. No.
We're getting a quick release.
Yeah. Look at all this grind, bro. Like, this is the reason, one of the reasons why it's been stuck.
YouTube. So basically, the problem we had was to take this thing out. Basically, problem is this part's not right here. Is broken off, unlike the new one that we have, which is supposed to be like this. You can see it's not. It's a big difference. So our homie from next door is gonna try and help us with it, and you're probably gonna see more videos because he has a different car. Y'all will definitely see it on this channel. I love his car, bro. I just love his car. It's a 1.4 VW. It's just that. I'll just put pictures of it. But yeah, that sounds good to you. Listen. Yeah, so let's get to that problem. He can fix it.
Wheel. Alright, just tell me when. Here you go. Perfect.
Caveman style.
Caveman style. I'm just recording that. It's gonna be a 16 or a 17 socket. 16 or 17. Spanner is also fine. A little bit.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh shit. I got it.
Basically, you see this? That's gasket maker.
Can you legit see it from a mile away?
This, when people build engines, they like to skip a few steps by putting gasket maker on instead of buying a gasket kit. And you'll see the small pieces of leather.
Yeah.
And that white metal, shining white metal, is normally bearing material.
This is number one.
Yeah. That's what I was afraid of.
Now the block barely gets damaged.
So that's the homie's car I was talking about. Look at it, bro. And it sounds good too. It looks big.
Oh, I love the fact that you still
Yeah.
on the engine cover.
Looks clean.
Looks clean.
Powder coated. No harness is already done. The wiring harness. Take off this cover.
Who?
Look how much stuff it is against better than the back seats.
For real?
Yeah.
I mean, this is like literally on the seat.
The seat vibrates, but you don't have bass.
I felt safe there, bro.
You might not feel safe in a second.
Yeah, we're going up here. This is the road. Oh no. This is the road. Woo! Did not feel safe. The fact that your suspension kept us alive right there.
Fucking boots.
Whoa.
And now my gas is finished. And I'm going to go start.